Please join us now in a prayer song honoring the Narragansett Indian Nation's land on which we stand. Please continue to stand if you are able, and welcome Tia Alexa Roberts and Nazoni Spears, citizens of the Narragansett Indian tribe. Nazoni is also Danea, Ojibway, and Chickasaw. Tia and Nazoni are joined by Standing Rock Sioux tribal citizen Jennifer Weston from the Rhode Island Department of Health's Vaccine Equity and Confidence Unit. The Jingle Dress Song began as a healing dance among the Cree and Ojibway First Nations in the US and Canada during the global flu pandemic in the early 1900s. Today, the Jingle Dress Dance is widely shared among America's 574 tribal nations and is performed to bring healing to the people and the land. This Jingle Dress Song is from the drum group Elk Whistle. Please join our dancers in sharing this prayer song to honor the resilience of the Narragansett Indian tribe and the hundreds of tribal nations that continue to work for health and sustainability for the next 7 generations.